Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on the item checkbox in your recycle bin. We'll go ahead and open up your recycle bin, guys, and let go ahead and share mine with you. And so the checkbox in a recycle bin just allows you to quickly find whichever items you have in your recycle bin, and you can just select them and choose to either restore them or to delete them permanently. So if you want to enable the checkbox, just simply click where it shows view at the top and go down to where it says show. Here you'll find the item checkboxes, and if you click this, you will enable it. And so from now, going over anything that you want to delete or restore, you can just hover over them and click those checkboxes, and those will now enable, and those will now be selected for you within your recycle bin. And so that's it, guys. So that's how you can quickly enable the checkbox in your recycle bin on your Windows 11 PC. Very easy and very simple.